English test for beginner level. Total 20 questions.
My sister goes to the park every Saturday. We met our friends at the cinema last night. She drinks milk every morning. They bought a new car last month. The cat is on the table. He usually eats a sandwich for lunch. My birthday is in September 10th. She goes to the gym twice a week. I am reading a book right now. They went to the beach yesterday. The cat is sleeping on the bed. She ate a pizza for dinner last night. We usually go to school by bus. My brother plays football every weekend. Sarah and Emily go to the party last Friday. The dog is at the park with owner. They have English lessons on Monday. She watched a movie with her friends last night. I want a cold drink because it's hot. My parents went to the store yesterday.